Hello guys, now we are going to make exploding of this motor in SolidWorks. Now we are going to explode it and collapse, and after this one we are finishing by playing animation, beautiful animation. I hope you like it. Okay, now we have assembly of this motor. This motor, they have different parts. They have this outer cover, and then there is cover at the top, and then this is the body, this body of the motor, and then this shaft of the motor. This shaft is so long because I transmit power to the different part of the machines where we are going to use. And then this is the stand of this motor. This stand is for keeping, and this is the rotor inside. This helps to rotate. This outside body is called the starter. Okay, now we are going to explode this motor. Firstly, they have in these tool assembly toolbars, they have explode the view, but when you press here to insert, and then you look at the explode the view, and then here there is exploding view here, but let me use this insert. Okay, insert explode the view. Okay, here we have different terms we are going to explain in shortly. Firstly, they have here regular steps that helps to move into one direction, and then there is radio steps that help to move into different positions. Okay, firstly we are going to move this cover. This is the top of the cover. Select these regular steps because we are going to move from here up to this. Select this body, and then there is axis where I want to move it, and then select drag to at the top with y-axis. Look, it is created, and then you are assigned distance. Keep 120 mm. Look, and then select done. The second steps we are going to move this outer cover and this rotor or shaft connected to the rotor. This is the need of radio steps in order to explode two things in different position. Select these two bodies, and then when we are dragging here, it is moving in different two position at the same places, and then we are assigned dimension. Select 300. Look, it is created, and then select that, and then we are going to explode another one, this bottom face. We are going to select this regular as usual, and then select this body, and then we are going to move downward. You may select to downward y-axis. Okay, and keep the distance, keep 185 mm. Look, and then select done. Now, and then there is two things we are remaining. There is okay, we may select this body. Okay, the next step, select this face, and then we may drag to Z axis. Look, it is moved, and select 300 only. Okay, look, it is created, and then select done. The outside of the rotor is at the bottom, at this side. I think it is already done, and then select OK. and then go to this feature as configuration manager, and then close to this, and then select right click collapse. Collapse is going to create and to merge our body, and then select another right click explode. Look, it is created, and then collapse animation explode. Look, the animation is created of this motor. Look, if you want to save this project, okay, look, you may select start, then next step, and then end, play. Look, but it is not this animation. We may select animation. Look, right click collapse. Look, and then if you want to create animation of this and to save it in your gallery or in your desktop as video, we may select click right click, and then go to the toolbars, and then select motion manager. Already it is created, and then look here, motion manager, and then assign first tree. I'm assign the frame, select settings, and go to the frame, select 60. Look, and then select OK. After that one, select animation wizard or animation manager, and then select explode. Look at the preview, and then select next, and then select seconds, select 7 seconds, and then you may select 6 seconds, and then start time, start for 1 second, and then finish. We may calculate it. Look, our animation is created, and then if you want to collapse these things, and then we may select again animation manager, select collapse, and then select OK, and then start after 1 second, select 8, and then start time second, select duration or seconds, select 6 seconds, sorry, and then start from 8 seconds, finish. Okay, and then frame is the same, 60. Okay, look, and then calculate. Look, it is collapsing. I think this tutorial is helpful to engineers which is want to see the inside and the all bodies in SolidWorks. I think I hope liked. Okay, and we may save this animation by clicking save animation, and then this is we may name it as you want, and then select AV is good, and then scroll down, and then we have here format, select 16.9. okay, this is helpful, and then select frame per second, select 60. Okay, and then this is enough, and select destination of where we are going to save, select desktop, and then select OK, and then may select this format, and then select OK. It will take too much time to calculate it, but after that one I will play it and see how it works. Okay, how it's beautiful animation, and I hope you like it. This animation, look, it is calculating it. Before leaving this tutorial, remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel again, and then share to your colleagues. Okay, let me see the tutorial. This is look like, and then you may look the preview. Look, it is beautiful animation, and then chorus. Look. Thanks for watching.